I am totally obsessed with these makeup bags from BOYATU, and I recently got this new one with this green Clover design, and oh my god, it's so good. Look at this cute design. I love this kind of ridged material, and it's such a cute color. It has kind of like a retro feel. I just love these bags so much. I think they're so cute the way they're styled, and they come in so many cute colors and different patterns, and they make such great gifts. So let's take a close-up look. These bags come absolutely beautifully packaged. It's one of the reasons why I love gifting these. They even come with a little card. They're so pretty, and they come in so many great different patterns. This Clover bag is my favorite so far. Look at the inside when you open it up. It comes with these two smaller makeup bags on the inside that have Velcro. And so you could actually use those separately, or you could use them in the bag. I like to keep them separate just because I like to maximize my space. As you can see here on the inside, there are many different pockets, and there's this clear pocket here on the middle. There's also an area for your brushes and things like that. It's a lot of space. You can definitely fit full-size items. Seeing is believing, so let me just show you. I'm going to put some full-size items in this. I seriously can't believe every time I pack one of these up how much actually fits. It's really kind of shocking. And then just the innovative way that it closes, you just kind of fold it up and then zip it up, and it's, again, shocking how much you fit in this one little small bag. And look how beautiful it is. This one gets a 10 out of 10 from me.